it. I mean, I am going to have it forever and ever anyway, right?
That's a fair assumption.
Friendship not included.
Piggie! I think someone is watching us.
That's nice.
I don't need to be paranoid, but I think maybe lots and lots of people are watching us.
You're right, Gerald. It looks like we have an audience. Hi!
An audience? Well, okay. But what are they doing here anyway?
Well, I suppose they're here to watch us. We must be in a play!
We are in a play? That is so cool! Look at them all just sitting there. Hey, friends, come out here. You have to see this. Look at all those people out there. Kids, grown-ups, they're all here just watching us because we are in a play!
Do you know what the best part about having an audience is?
We can ask them to lend us money.
And no, we can make them do things.
Yeah.
Make them do things? Like what things?
Check it out. We're in a play. We're on the stage. Things are
laughing?
Pretty cool, huh?
I've never seen anything so incredible. I can feel all the power rushing to my big elephantine head.
You know what, Gerald? I bet we can make him say a word.
No.
Yes!
No.
Yes! We're in a play. We're on a stage. Boy, this is great! Check out the people. Let's take our power. Come on now, concentrate. For this audience of grandma. Oh, let's make him say, banana! Why? 1, 2, 3. Banana after me. Banana. 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 That was so funny. Everybody out there said, banana. Man, I just love me some tropical humor. We're in a play, you have to pause. Everyone's doing great. Let's make a sound and move around. Dance to celebrate.
Dance? What are we gonna do?
Oh, we got it. Wave your arms all flippy floppy glory. Grown-ups too, it's obligatory. A 1, 2, 3, flippy floppy glories, please. Flippy floppy glory, flippy floppy glory, flippy floppy glory.
Grown-ups kind of doing the flippy floppy glory.
You know how we can make this even better?
Better? That's impossible.
We can try to smush this whole thing together.
But that's nuts!
No, I know.
What do you say? Are you on